Hello friends, we have just finished installing this massive screen 13.3 inch in a Mitsubishi Delica, which is year 2000. I think it's year 2019, and that was a direct import from Japan. And I will give you a review of this vehicle as well, because this vehicle, to be honest, I found one of really best Delica so far I have seen, imported one. So we have connected the steering wheel controls buttons as well. So as you can see, I am switching between using steering wheel control buttons here, which is here. So got full steering control functionality here. The other side got cruise control here, lane assist, and I think it also has a front collision system, and yeah, these are the cruise control buttons, lane assist as well in this vehicle. So if we keep changing, yep. Okay, I'll show you if we have to go to, yep, that's the home screen here, and the touch is quite good. This screen is massive, like you can tell by looking at it how massive this screen is. So we have connected reverse camera as well. So what's best thing about this Delica, it also has this 360 on mirror here as well, and also we have connected here on this big screen. It has wireless Apple CarPlay as well, and as well wireless Android Auto. You can download offline maps as well. If you're interested in this product, I'll insert that link below in description. Now it's time to show you about this Delica. So this Delica, which is actually is designed as a 4x4, got a fan for rear passengers. Now this electric park brake, auto hold function as well for braking, or you can also say it's a hill control system as well. Hazard switch. And look at these seats here. Armrest with front seat, 4 cup holders for front passengers. Looks beautiful. The finishing at doors, so quite impressive compared to old models. So got switches here for right and left door to open and close from here. Power door, you can turn it on and off. So the boot this time is also electric. Look at that as I press, and it's opening by itself. So this is one of top of the range. So sorry, this is the lane assist button. That was front collision on steering wheel here to control it. Lane assist, this is also front collision. So turn it on and off, and you can change the distance from here. Got eco mode as well. So these seats seems quite comfortable. So capacity of 6 people, actually not 7. Yep, 7 people can sit it easily. And got side steps. I will show you it's how good it looks from outside as well. So there is 2 cup holders on right side and 2 cup holders on left side for rear seat passengers. Let me see if we have anything for back passenger. So that's the mid row here. Yeah, we got one cup holder here, so I'm sure we have cup holder on the other side as well, which is good. So plenty of cup holder options, and I wish if they had a roof mount DVD for rear passengers. But yeah, you got that massive screen in there, so you really don't need that. Feels quite comfortable, plenty of leg room. I'm 5'11", plenty of headroom here as well. So yeah, quite impressive vehicle actually. And to be honest, these seems like to me not the original seats here. They are seat covers. Yeah, it does look like they are not the original seats, but someone did a really good job here. And yeah, you find this most of in Japanese imports. Now let me show you how it does look from outside. So this is the engine here. It's running at the moment. This is a diesel engine. So you can see how beautiful it does look from outside. Yeah, someone turned it into a really good looking beast. As you can see, look at those tires. Beautiful.